Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, good people. And today I have brought some news which you should check it out. Okay, here Forbes has already released. It has released in July 27. Today is like Monday, September 5, like 1 week ago. Okay, so we see a dump in Bitcoin and raise in uh, Dixie index. Okay, so you can just check, like, we just dump, yeah, when he just raise interest rate. Okay, so we see a dump in the market. So let's check what news is about. Okay, 0.75% interest rate was hiked. Okay, raised. So uh, it was like 1% rise, so Bitcoin came like 3 to 4% down. Okay, you can just check. Okay, yeah, like 3% Bitcoin came down. So it means that Dixie should yeah, we see a rise in Dixie. Yeah, we don't see fall. We see fall in Bitcoin, but a rise in Dixie index. Dixie is like US dollar currency. Okay, you can just check up. Yeah, I've just updated all my indicators. So this is like I have indicated in daily, yeah, daily time frame. So this is future forecast. Okay guys, like we can see meetings, like September 21 Fed meeting. Okay, check it guys. Okay, there will be another in November 2. There will be another Fed meeting this September 25 26. Okay, that will be the most painful day for cryptocurrency holders. Okay, uh, at that time we can see a increase, a tremendous increase, like a 3% increase in Dixie. That means oil, okay, oil will raise like a barrel. We can see $150. Okay, that much high. We can see oil prices will go up in December 14 till we can see control in inflation. So ahead to 2023. Okay, uh, 2023. So yeah, 2023 January, February. Yeah, February will be the bull market season. Okay guys, don't miss out. Like we have like 5 months left from now, but yeah, December will be the last date. Yeah, you should just deposit before that one to get profit. Okay, so I I'm gonna future forecast where the bottom is, like Bitcoin's bottom. Okay, we gonna see like in daily chart, like at this peak point, like this peak point, this is gonna be the dollar, like 20 years all-time high Dixie index at that time. Okay, we're gonna see. Okay, we're gonna check at Dixie index. Yeah, 114. It will go up to 114. Its current rate is like 109. Okay, 114 will be the rising. Yeah, we see a rising pattern here, you can see. And Bitcoin right now is like it will go like when it will go up, then Bitcoin will drop like 12,500. I think this should drop like 10,000 or below that, because it's like, I think it should go like 30 to 35% down. Yeah, but 12,500 is not enough, I don't think so. So let's check in 1 week. Okay, in 1 week we can see bottom has touched. Okay, but not this weekly candle is not like you will see Bitcoin rally in 1 week. Okay, it's mean like mm, 1 hour time frame. When you'll just click in 1 hour time frame, okay, 1 minute, it's different. You have to understand this one. Okay, we can just see in 1 day chart. No, okay, 4 hour time frame we can just see. No, in 4 hour time frame we don't see. That means today Bitcoin rally has already started. Yeah, for this week I'm gonna forecast like 23,000, 22,800 will be the ideal point to short. Okay guys. Okay, but I'm 100% sure like we're gonna touch like below 10,000. I think 7,500 is the bottom. Okay guys, note 7,500 will be the bottom. At that point, simultaneously equivalent to check this Dixie index. Okay, like 114, 114, 1 week chart. Yeah, we see down. Okay, we see down. So when Dixie index goes down, Bitcoin goes up. So rally is coming guys, don't miss. And this US dollar is gonna pain so much. Yeah, thank you guys, and hit the like button, subscribe, and hit that bell notification. And guys, you can just share this video with your friends, family. Okay guys. Yeah, 5 months is like it's gonna be painful for big investors, or like, but this is a golden time period. Okay, Bitcoin bottom is coming, and you must deposit some amount. Okay, you will get tremendous amount of wealth, profit. Yeah guys, you can't even imagine if you just take like 10x leverage in Bitcoin with only 1,000 US dollar in spot. Okay, you will make like I'm guessing 80,000 within 5 months. Yeah, but you can just check. You must check and get every information. Okay guys, every time, don't miss. I'm saying don't miss. Only 3 months left before bull rally starts. December. Okay guys, September 25 is gonna bleed shiba inu. Every cryptocurrency, even Bitcoin is going down, so every cryptocurrency is backed with Bitcoin. So yeah, you just understand everything. Thank you guys, thank you. Okay, and the secret thing is that US and Fed also realize that they should reserve some Bitcoin. Okay guys, some Bitcoin into their US treasury bond. Yeah, I mean it. Okay, so when dollar will cost like all-time high, this 20 years or 30 years high. Okay, then they are gonna back the economy with Bitcoin, but no one will ever realize that. Okay guys, don't miss. And good family, check this my channel every time and hit that subscribe button down. Thank you. I'll catch up later.